civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Hanford Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued for the city of Hanford, due to a dangerous individual roaming around the Hanford metropolitan area. The individual's name has not yet been confirmed. According to local authorities, the person possesses a superpower of shape-shifting and is also armed with a weapon which is similar to Death's Sight. If you see this individual, run to a safe location and call 911. Do not confront the individual as she is armed and dangerous. Remain informed by local media for the latest on this situation. More information will come in as the situation develops.
Mandatory evacuation for portions of Southern California. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California State Emergency Management. A mandatory evacuation has been issued for areas within a 25-mile radius of the city of Hanford. A dangerous individual mentioned in a previous alert has been seen standing on an unknown kind of spacecraft. According to the public, the spacecraft has a drill on its front. The drill went into the ground and has injected an unknown pink liquid. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Residents within a 25-mile radius of the city of Hanford are advised to evacuate. This includes the following counties: Fresno, Madera, Kings and Tulare. If you hear an air raid siren in your area, you are in the risk zone and you are needed to evacuate. Make sure you have an adequate supply of non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio. Take this situation seriously as it may be your last mistake otherwise. Stay tuned to this station or other media outlets for the latest information on this situation.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WWPW. We will continue to serve the Atlanta metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, You should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Atlanta metropolitan area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Please stand by. Please stand by. The President of the United States, or a designated representative, will be speaking shortly.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government in conjunction with the United States Department of Homeland Security. This is not a test. I say again, this is not a test. I repeat, for the third time, this is not a test. The West Coast is under attack. At around 10:14 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, public reports that came in of an unknown kind of spacecraft that has been observed above the city of Hanford, California. In addition, the spaceship has injected an unknown pink substance. This is not a drill. This is not a test. This is an extremely dangerous and potentially life-threatening situation and should be taken seriously. Anyone living within the West Coast are advised to evacuate. If you live in Southern California, you are recommended to evacuate immediately.